Hi students, welcome back to today's class. Now we are going to move on to next topic that is available in keyboarding and typing skills. Okay, so using typing software, how we can make use of the typing software, which software is available at the free of cost, that we can see now. So there are many softwares available which are free of cost and are customized to learn typing efficiently and effectively. So now in today's topic we are going to see one software, that is Typing Tutor. Okay, so Rapid Typing Tutor is one of the software which is available as a free and open source software which is designed to learn typing skills on the computer. Okay, it is free to use and it can be shared with others for a free also, but only by using the original distribution package we can make the sharing also with others. Okay, so learning to type is fun with the typing game included with the Rapid Typing Tutor. Okay, so typing will be very fun with the help of the Rapid Typing Tutor software. So touch typing techniques. So touch typing improves the typing speed and the accuracy. Okay, so because of this touch typing, which is improved, typing speed and accuracy is going to be improved. Okay, so a touch typist never looks at the keyboard. The fingers hit the right keys by the habit. So fingers always, it will hit the right keys by the habit. So the typist is entirely focused on the text which is being typed, reading the words and phrases as the fingers type the text reflexively. So when his eyes are reading the texts or phrases or paragraphs, immediately the fingers will be typing that letters or hitting that letters on the keyboard without looking at the keyboard. Okay, so so this is the touch typist way. Okay, so touch typing can be learned by performing special exercises. So how it can be learned? Touch typing can be learned. Okay, by the following exercises, special exercises we need to do for getting the typing easier. Okay, so stage one of the process begins with learning the home row of the keyboard. First we need to learn the home row, which keys and all is there in the home row and which finger need to be placed on which letter key, that we need to learn first. So the row beginning with the caps lock key is known as home row of the keyboard. So looking at the keyboard is strictly forbidden. It is strictly avoided. So we should not look at the keyboard when we want to place our fingers also on the keyboard. We need to immediately we need to place the fingers correctly on the home row. Like that we need to practice properly. So this is followed by learning the lower and upper rows and then number row and then uppercase letters, special symbols. Like that, stage by stage we need to know how the finger should be moved on the keyboard, that we need to practice first. Then stage 2 exercises. Stage 2 involves memorizing frequently used syllables and typing the words containing these syllables. Okay, so remember, we need to remember the words, recall the words, syllables. Remember, continuously using and frequently using words. No, we need to remember it and we need to start typing those words without seeing the keyboard. And then stage 3 involves typing actual text to perfect the skills acquired. Okay, so whatever text if it is given to you, you need to type properly. So that is the third stage exercise. Okay, so first we will see the keyboard, which virtual keyboard, which is available in the Rapid Typing Tutor. Okay, so like this only the keyboard will be available in your Rapid Typing Tutor software. Okay, so touch typing rules we will see here. So you can look at this keyboard carefully. So this caps lock key, this key where it is placed, this row only is treated as a home row. So you can see here in the numeric keypad, number 5 is also mentioned in the red color box. Okay, red color square, no, it is mentioned. So this is the home row. It indicates the tangible marked key. Okay, in the same manner, here ASDF and JKL semicolon are called, this four keys and the right side four keys are called as the entire row is called as here home row. Okay, so the FDSK and JKL semicolon keys on a QWERTY keyboard represents the base position, that is home position. Keyboards usually have a small protrusions on the F and J keys, that is small tangible mark will be there on the F and J keys. They help your fingers locate the base positions without looking at the keyboard. So without seeing the keyboard itself, you can able to place the fingers by finding that mark in that letter F and J carefully. So you need to place your index finger left index finger on the F, right index finger on the J. Okay, so for left index fingers, here the orange color keys are mentioned, and for right index keys, green color keys are mentioned for right index. Okay, and we will see here color coding shows which finger should press each key. See the picture above. The left index finger is reserved for all the red keys, red color keys. Okay, and the right index finger is reserved for the green keys, and so forth. So use the thumb of whichever hand. Okay, either right hand or right left hand thumb finger, you can use it for pressing the space key. So whichever hand thumb finger is convenient for you to press the space bar, you can make use of the thumb finger. Okay, and you can see here the blue color is used to indicate the middle finger, and this is for this yellow color for ring finger, and then this orange color for little finger. Okay, so like that right side also is allotted in the color coding. Okay, next is the base position on the numeric pad is also the number key 5 for the middle finger, and 4 for the index finger, and 6 for the ring finger. So the numeric pad simplifies the speed up numerical data input. So it is speeding up the numerical data input, and uppercase letters symbols appearing on the keys in the numbers row are typed by one hand with the little finger of the other hand holding down the shift key. That means one hand need to be typing the uppercase letters or the letters which are placed above the number keys. Okay, so with the help of the shift key, one hand, that is right hand of the little finger, need to place the shift key, need to press the shift key while we are typing the uppercase letters, while the other hand is typing the uppercase letters or the above symbols. Okay, so that shift key need to be pressed by the right hand of the little finger. So this we need to remember here. Okay, so do not look at the keyboard, try to locate the right key with your fingers itself. You should not look at the keyboard in order to find the key. Fingers need to search the keys properly and it need to type. Okay, so after configuring the settings in the wizard, rapid typing main window will appear as shown in the figure 2.14. So like this the window will appear, rapid typing main window. Even I too downloaded here in my system. So like this the rapid typing window will appear in your screen. Okay, so introduction part also you can click, and introduction part will be having the same letters F, J, D, K, like that. So how you are seeing here in this book, in the same manner also you can get it here also. See, basic lesson, basics only. Lesson 2, if you choose no, it will go to SLA, like this it is going to next lesson. Once lesson 1 is completed, it will automatically move on to lesson 2. Okay, so even this background picture, it is changed here like this. Okay, you can see the book picture. It is looking like one mouse is jumping or trying to jump into the river, like that it is looking. No, in the same manner we can also keep this image or theme as the background of this typing area. Okay, so this is the typing area where we are seeing the letters. Okay, these letters only we need to type. So how we can change this is by clicking on this horizontal bars. No, right corner, right top corner of this window, we have this three horizontal bars. If you right click on this, if you click on this bar, not right click, if you just left click on the bar, okay, you'll be getting a lot of menus here, drop down menus. In this you need to choose background and text color. Okay, so if you choose animation, dark, it will be like looking like this. Marine, if you choose, fish will come, and light, so the same like picture we can get it, and you just click OK. So like this the same background we have got here also in our screen. Okay, so here you can look at here. So typing tutor interface, no, it will be looking like that. How we have seen in the previous picture, no, in the same manner, typing tutor interface will be looking like. And the window is composed of the following controls. That is the taskbar, which is taskbar. This is only known as taskbar. Okay, this area only is known as taskbar, which is placed at the top here. So normally taskbar means we will say this is the taskbar. In computer, bottom only we will be mentioning the taskbar. But in this rapid typing tutor software, we have taskbar at the top. Okay. So taskbar allows to set or change some basic options to start a lesson. That is keyboard layout, we can change it, and level, and then lesson, and then background. All these things we can change. We can make a change in the taskbar. Okay, Next is three horizontal buttons. So this only three horizontal buttons in the top right corner. This button only. It is used for getting the options and about help, everything we can get it. So the three horizontal buttons is used for about, okay, and help also we can get, and themes, sound, font, background, and keyboard layout, all those things we can change it here. Okay, two hands or any other desktop or window type keyword, or Mac OS related keyboard, or desktop keyboard. Okay, so like that you need to choose, select your keyboarding level with the help of this three horizontal lines. Okay, so three horizontal bars buttons, the top right corner, it is used for displaying the corresponding dialogues. Okay, next is three vertical buttons in the top left corner, lesson statistics and lesson editor. Okay, so that is three vertical buttons. Vertically some buttons are placed here. This is one button, and this is another button, and this is another button. So three vertical buttons. So three vertical buttons are used for, one for mentioning the current lesson. In order to set the current lesson, you can use control plus one also in order to go to this current lesson place. Okay, and then second one is student statistics. We can check it with the help of clicking on the second vertical button. And third vertical button for lesson editor. If you want to change the lessons on your own, you can do the changes also in the software. Okay, so these are the buttons which are placed at the top left corner of your software. Okay, so I want to say how to download this software, because that procedure is not given in this syllabus. Just you just go and type rapid typing tutor software for Windows 10 or Windows 7, whichever OS you are using in your computer. According to that, you need to type in the Google search engine, and you'll be getting one screen like this. Okay, just I'll show here. Whenever you get free time, you can start typing in this rapid typing tutor software, and you can do practice in this software in order to know your typing speed. And see, already I have typed, and I downloaded the software now. So rapid typing like this, you just type it. So top one link will be available, that is rapidtyping.com downloads. You just click on that first link. Okay, and it will be taking you to that home page of the rapid typing software. Okay, so here typing tutor, this button only is enabled. So download, you can go for, under this you can see setup for Windows. Okay, just click on download rapid typing x64, because it is a Windows 10 operating system, no? So 64 version, you just download it. So download rapid typing x64, one setup.exe file will get downloaded. Rapid typing setup.exe file will get downloaded. Once it is downloaded, just double click on that software, or else you can just click on this. And how to download and install, the procedure is given clearly. So just follow the first procedure. See here, just follow this procedure until this. Okay, and then you will be installed with that software. Okay, so by this way you can install this software in your computer too, and you can start typing in this. You can practice on all the lessons. Okay, if you are introduction, or if you are a beginner, you can start from this first lesson onwards. And then in that even introduction part, we have some more lessons. Basics itself, lesson 1, lesson 2, 3, 4 up to 9 is there. Then with the help of shift keys, we have 9 lessons. With the help of number keys, we have 3 lessons. A numeric pad, with the help of the numeric pad, if you want to practice, 2 lessons are given. So everything you can practice here. And timings also will be mentioned for completing this given letters or given words. Okay, so in order to complete that given words, how much time you are taking, that also you can monitor. And then after completing it, automatically you will be getting one window that we will see now. Okay, after reading this content, we will come to know what and all we can do in this software. Okay, so text panel, this is only known as, this area is only known as text panel. Okay, this is the area where the text to be typed is displayed. You can easily edit it in the lesson editor. So this text panel can be easily edited. This content, no, we can edit it in the text editor, that is lesson editor, one tool we have seen, no, in that software. With the help of that, we can edit the lesson content also. And if necessary, if it is needed, you can edit the letters also. So lesson control panel, it includes several controls to pause, resume the current lesson, enable or disable the sounds. So here we can enable the sounds by clicking on this sound bar. You will get the vertical bar, so you can move the slider, sound slider up and down in order to increase the volume also. Okay, and next is um, keyboard is the virtual keyboard. This is the virtual keyboard. Okay, so you can start type in your normal computer keyboard itself, but that will be displayed on that virtual keyboard. Okay, so whatever you are typing on your own keyboard, okay, your laptop or desktop computer keyboard, whatever letters you are typing and with the help of which finger you are typing, everything will be recorded in that software, and it will be indicating if you pressed correct finger. If you pressed with the help of the correct finger, then you will get the letter in a green color. So like the tunnel we will see which is mistakenly typed, which is correctly typed, which is crossed the time. Okay, so everything we will see with the help of different colors. Every letters can be indicated with the help of the different colors. If it is typed correctly within the given time, then that letter can be indicated with the one color. Okay, so that we will see now. Next is keyboard is a virtual keyboard. This is the virtual keyboard that will help you to learn touch typing with all 10 fingers. You can customize its appearance in the lesson section. So its appearance, we can change it in the lesson section. Next is we can begin the lessons. To start your first lesson in typing tutor. So in this typing tutor software, if you want to start the first lesson, select the keyboard layout. Okay, select the keyboard layout that initially we have done, that is whether English or which language you want to type, that typing layout we need to choose. Okay, so based on that the keys will be changed. So if you are choosing English, so letters will be, keyboard letters will be in English only. Okay, so select the keyboard layout, level and lesson category on the taskbar shown below. So like this you need to choose the lessons in the beginning. So there are 4 drop down lists in the top left corner of the screen. Therefore, moving from left to right, the procedure will be as follows. First, you need to choose the layout. That is the keyboard language you need to choose. English on the picture above, English only chosen. And then select a level. There are 3 levels available. Introduction, beginner, like that. 3 levels are there. That levels you need to choose. And lesson category, first course and then lesson. See here, first will be course. Okay, first is course you need to select, and then lesson you need to select, and then lesson timing also will be mentioned. Okay, so finally choose the lesson that you would like to study. So when everything is ready, press any key, then put your fingers in the initial position shown on the keyboard and start typing the text. So like we said, the index finger of the left hand need to be placed on the letter F. Okay, and like that the other fingers need to be placed correctly in the allotted keys. Okay, there is also lesson control panel just above the keyboard. So virtual keyboard above, lesson control panel is there, where you can suspend or resume the current lesson or adjust the sound effects. So you can continue the lesson typing also, or words typing also, or you can pause that, suspend that. Okay, suspend the current lesson also, and you can adjust the sound effects also above the virtual keyboard. That options and are given. So these buttons will be there when we are start typing the letters. Okay, see, whenever you just start type the letters, okay, you can see these. See, now I have pressed letter S. Okay, letter S I have pressed, and then I need to press the space bar. I need to press the space bar, and letter L need to be typed correctly by using. See, immediately this pass button is there. If you want to pass the lesson, you can pass the lesson, and if you want to start the lesson, you can start the lesson. Like that you can do the adjustment here. For that only I have shown you now. Okay, so if you started the lesson, if you started typing the letters or words in the given lesson now, immediately you will see this button. So this button just above the top left corner of the keyboard. To pass the lesson, you can click on the double vertical line. Okay, this is the pass button that is displayed instead of the arrow button. So if you pressed on this pass button, then you will see next arrow button. If you click the arrow button, it will start continuing the lesson. To restart the current lesson, click the refresh button. Okay, which is far right button on the taskbar. To enable or disable the sounds in the current lessons, click the sound button, which is located above the top right corner of the keyboard and set the sounds volume using vertical bar. So here vertical bar, with the help of this you can adjust the sound volumes also. Okay, next is notes. So you can also set the background image for the text panel by choosing an option animation, wallpaper or plain from the drop down list on the taskbar top right corner of the window. So this only I have told you in the beginning. So if you want to change the background color of the software background, the text panel background, if you want to change, you can click on this three horizontal bars and background and text color you can choose, and here you can choose whatever background colors you want to have and you can click on OK. So like that the picture will get changed. Okay, so you can change the background image for the background image of the text panel by choosing an option. Okay, and next is, while making your way through lessons you will probably mention two progress bars, one in green and another in yellow on the lesson control panel. So one progress bar will be indicating the green and another will be indicating the yellow. So the green progress bar, that is upper bar, shows that percentage of the completion for the current lesson, how much percentage you have completed for in the current lesson, that will be indicated by the green progress bar. And the yellow progress bar, that is lower, reflects the acceptable time period for typing a single character. If you want to complete the single character, how much time can be given for that. So that is indicated with the help of the yellow progress bar. So two progress bars will be there. Progress bars means continuously it will be increasing. Okay, the progress, it will be progressing continuously when you are typing the letters in a continuous way. Okay, so green progress bar to indicate what? Percentage of completion for the current lesson, and yellow progress bar indicates acceptable time for the acceptable time period for typing a single character, that is indicated with the help of the yellow progress bar. Okay, and when the yellow progress bar runs out at least once, the typing tutor records that you have broken the rhythm at this character. That means you didn't type it correctly. That is the meaning when the yellow progress bar runs out. Okay, so how to interpret your results? So how you can measure that you have done your lesson perfectly? So how you can interpret your results means, each time you complete a lesson, the results dialog window displays your achievements in the lesson immediately. See, after if you completely typed the letters which are given in the lesson, no, so see here, lot of letters are there and characters are there. If you completely finish this lesson, automatically it will be moving on to one statistic bar like this. Okay, this dialog box will be opening like this. So this is the result dialog window for, in order to show your achievement. So how you have completed, how much percentage accuracy you have completed that chapter or that lesson will be indicated with the help of this dialog window. Okay, result dialog window. So result dialog window consists of two tabs called rating and errors. Okay, rating will be there and errors will be there here. Um, so the first one looks like shown in the figure 2.17. So you can review your metrics, that is measures overall skill level between the beginner and the champion. You can see here with the help of this result window, and how much words you have typed per minute, and characters how much you have typed per minute, and speed, and then slow down time. Okay, and accuracy, how much gap you have given when you are typing the first letter and the second level. Everything is indicated here in this bars. Okay, and then the color indication is as follows. So green letters denotes the right inputs. So whenever you are typing, you'll be getting the letters, with the different colors here. So if you completed the first letter with the correct finger, okay, then it indicates with the green color. So green color indicates what? Green letters denote the right inputs. Yellow letters stand for the right inputs exceeding the acceptable time frame. So time frame you have exceeded. So that is indicated with the help of the yellow letter. And if you get red letter, it denotes wrong inputs within the acceptable time frame. You have typed wrongly with the wrong finger. Okay, and orange letters indicate that both are wrong, that is letter is also typed wrongly and you have exceeded the acceptable time frame also. So that is indicated, that is a worst result. Okay, so orange indicates worst result. If you get green and red, that is not a problem. Okay, and error window. On the error tab, you can view your detailed statistics for the current lesson. So detailed statistics you can get for your current lesson if you completed typing those lesson. Okay, so this tab shows you errors and delays that is slow down only delay. Okay, so errors and delays percentage both in a graphical view also and table view also you can get it. So like this you will get the graphical view also you will get, and the table view also you will get when you are going to error window. Okay, so this will help you to better understand which letters are still hard for you to type. So if you go to this window, you will be easily understand that which letter is very difficult for you to type correctly, so that you can understand from this window. So you can switch between the errors in the percentage chart and by clicking the button just below the tabs, and delay in the percentage chart by clicking the button. So you can switch between these delay in percentage chart and then errors in percentage chart window by clicking on the buttons. Okay, so on the bar chart the x-axis corresponds to the letters used in the lesson. So x-axis it denotes letters used in the lesson, and y-axis denotes what? Y-axis denotes errors or delays related to each letter. So what errors you have made or delays you have made related to each letter, that is indicated with the help of the y-axis. If there aren't any errors and delays for a certain character, it won't show up on the chart. It will not be shown on the chart in the y-axis. If there is not any error when you are typing, or any delay is not there when you are typing that letter, so it won't be shown on the chart. Okay, next note, when you select a row in the table, so right side table view we have seen, no, in the table if you select the row, the corresponding bar on the chart will be highlighted in the left side. So when you select column in the table, the chart will show either errors or delays. So then you can click the next button below to proceed the next lesson. Repeat to go through this lesson once again, or records to check whether your results are great enough for a typing tutors hall of fame. So to view the results of all the lessons that you have already completed, not only the current one, we can go to the statistics section. That means here we can go to the statistics section. This is student statistics. If you completed every lesson, so all the lesson statistics, you can check it with the help of this statistics button. Okay, and then view and analyze statistics. To view the results of all the lessons that you have already completed, open the statistics section that I have shown. The second button you need to click at the top left corner of the rapid typing tutor software, and choose the button in the top left corner on the main window. The statistics screen will open like this. Okay, in this window only the overall typing for all the lessons you can see here, from basic lessons 1 to lesson 2, like that you can choose the lessons here and you can see the performance of yours. Okay, here you can review overall statistics and progress both in graphical and table view also. So left side you have graphical view, right side you have the table view. Okay, like columns and rows, everything are displayed here. So the following options are available. Like click the button in the top left corner of the window, or press Ctrl 1 on your keyboard to see the CPM speed, that is character per minute progress. If you want to check, you can press Ctrl plus 1, and then Ctrl plus 2 for checking your words per minute speed. Okay, and that progress if you want to check means Ctrl plus 2 you need to press, and then Ctrl plus 3 for uh, how your typing accuracy will be, how it is changed from one lesson to another lesson. That also you can check it with the help of the control key, control 3, by pressing Ctrl plus 3 simultaneously. And to remove a metric from your statistics, select a lesson in the right table and click the button, press delete on your keyboard. Okay, so if you want to delete some statistics you don't want to see, just click on delete. And the taskbar in the upper part of the window, you can choose the keyboard layout, level, course for which you would like to see the statistics. So right corner you can choose the lesson also and course also, for which lesson you see here. In this you can choose the lesson for which lesson you want to view the statistics, that also you can choose, and you can view the statistics performance. Okay, and next is detailed lesson statistics. Okay, to review the statistics for a particular lesson, choose this lesson on the right table and click the lesson tab in the top right corner. The lesson tab contains the same data that are displayed upon completion of every lesson. So for details, see how to interpret your results section. So working with lesson editor. So that is the third button which is available on your rapid typing tutor. Okay, so working with lesson editor. This is only lesson editor tool, or lesson editor control. So how we can work with this lesson editor? To open the lesson editor, click the button in the top left corner of the rapid typing window. So taskbar which allows to select the keyboard layout and level of the lesson to edit. So which lessons and all you want to edit, you can edit in the rapid lesson editor tool. Okay, so with the help of the tool, with the help of this third tool, you can do the changes in the lesson. And navigation tree, which shows the existing courses and lesson hierarchy. Okay, so what lessons and all there, and if you want to make changes in any lesson, with the help of the navigation tree, you can look at the lessons which are placed under every level, and you can do modifications. The text panel, an area where you can edit the text. This is the text panel. So this is an area where you can type the text. You can edit the text of the lesson currently selected in the navigation tree. So with the help of this text area, you can start typing the letters and you can do changes in the lesson. And lesson metrics, which displays the number of and percentage of words, characters, spaces, and specific characters in the lesson. So this will be indicated in the lesson metrics after you type the lesson content. Okay, and keyboard, which is the virtual keyboard that highlights the characters used in the currently selected lesson. You can customize its appearance in the lesson section also. Okay, and then lesson editor makes all the lessons fully customizable, so we can do changes according to our wish. We can change the lesson contents also. For that, the lesson editor is very helpful. And you can add, insert, change, and delete lessons, group them in courses, and review the corresponding metrics. You can type using the basic keys such as shift keys, digit keys, and numerical keypad also. So with the help of these keys, you can start changing the lesson contents. You can add and you can insert, you can change the contents, you can delete the contents with the help of the lesson editor tool. And next is calculating the typing speed. So how we can calculate the typing speed in the rapid typing tutor software. So the typing speed can be measured with the different accuracies. So how many words are typed for the certain period, that is least accurate, that is a less number of accuracy. So how many words we have typed at a certain period. Okay, so that will give the less number of words only, no. And then how many characters are typed for a certain period. So words how much you have typed and characters how much you have typed, that we can measure with the help of the following formula. So how many keystrokes are made for the certain time period, and also the simple speed, that is gross speed, and then net speed taken into account, errors also. Okay, so we need to take into account the errors also, how many errors we have made, that also need to be considered for calculating the net speed. Okay, so we can see the formulas how we need to calculate all those things. Okay, that is words per minute, net words per minute. So words per minute formula is, we need to take the number of words typed in 1 minute period of time. So in a 1 minute period of time, how many number of words we have typed, that is the meaning for this word per minute. Okay, what is the formula to calculate this word per minute? Inside the parenthesis, you use this formula. Words without errors and words with errors, both you need to take into account. Words with errors and without errors divided by time spent in minutes. Okay, time spent in minutes, because we have taken words per minute only. Okay, so we need to take into account words with errors, words without errors, and both should be added, and the answer should be divided by time spent in minutes. And net WPM, how we can calculate? Words without errors need to be excluded. Okay, so the WPM without words with errors. Okay, without words with others. Okay, words with errors need to be calculated. So net WPM is equal to WPM minus words with errors. See, this words with errors need to be subtracted, divided by time spent in minutes, need to be subtracted from this WPM answer. Then you will get the net WPM. Okay, so this part alone, this is words with error and time spent in minutes divided by time spent in minutes, need to be subtracted from the WPM answer. In the same manner, CPM and net CPM also. In the same manner, KPM and net KPM also. So keystrokes without errors, with errors, both are added here for calculating the KPM, and time spent in minutes need to be under denominator. Okay, so how to calculate net KPM keystrokes? Okay, KPM minus, so from this answer, minus keystrokes with errors and divided by time spent in minutes. If you are subtracting, then we will get the net KPM answer, keystrokes per minute answer. So now we see one example related to this above formula. So a student typed 240 characters per 2 minutes. So for 2 minutes, he typed 240 characters. That means for 1 minute, how much? 120 CPM. Okay. So simple speed is 120 CPM. And with errors to 20 characters, he typed wrongly. So that means 20 characters by 2 minutes, that is going to be removed here. So 120 minus 20, it is answer is 100 net cpm. So 100 net cpm is the answer for this net speed. Okay. Next is typing accuracy. How we can calculate typing accuracy is defined as the percentage of correct entries out of the total entries typed. So what is the formula? The percentage of correct entries divided by total entries, number of entries, total number of words. Okay, so accuracy is 100 percentage, that is percentage of correct entries, 100 percentage minus words with error into 100 percentage divided by total number of words. So this is the accuracy we can calculate for words. And for characters, characters with errors, 100 percentage minus characters with others into with errors into 100 percentage divided by total number of characters. So in the same manner, keystrokes also, total number of keystrokes. Okay. And next is typing rhythm. Typing rhythm means how much fastly we are typing without giving time delay. Okay, without any time gap. So errors percentage is equal to words with errors into 100 percentage by total number of words. Okay, and errors in the characters, errors percentage is equal to characters with errors into 100 percentage by total number of characters. Likewise, keystrokes also, errors in keystrokes we can find out. Okay. Next is slow down in words. Okay, delay. Delay, how we can calculate words with delay into 100 percentage divided by total number of words. So like that for characters and keystrokes we can calculate it. And how we can calculate the overall rating calculation. Overall rating percentage is net speed divided by course goal. Okay, so net speed is net WPM or net CPM or net KPM. The value depends on the current options. And then course goal, that is speed is customized in the options for each course. So speed is changed. Okay, it will be changed according to the options for the each course. Okay, into 100 percentage. This is only formula for overall rating percentage. Net speed divided by speed, that is course goal speed into 100 percentage. Okay, so here the net speed indicates what, either net WPM words per minute or CPM or KPM. Course goal speed is customized in the options for each course. And then good typing speed. An average professional typist types usually in speeds of 50 to 80 WPM words per minute he will be typing. So 80 words per minute he will be typing from 50. Okay, so while some positions can require 80 to 95 and some advanced typists work at speeds above 120 word pm. Okay, so 120 words per minute they'll be typing. It is advanced typist and all, they'll be typing like this. So the fastest typing speed on an alphanumeric keyboard, 216 words. Okay, not 120, 216 words in 1 minute, that is 216 WPM was typed as the fastest typing speed. It was achieved by Stella Vajunas in 1946. This lady has achieved that is 216 words per minute. She has typed in the year 1946. Okay, in the alphanumeric keyboard. And as of 2005, writer Barbara Blackburn was the fastest alphanumerical English language typist in the world, according to the Guinness Book of the World Records. Okay, so using Dwarf simplified keyboard, she maintained 150 words per minute for 50 minutes and 170 words per minute for shorter periods. Her top speed was 212 words per minute. Okay, so this was the Guinness Book of World Record. No, it is stating that her top speed was 212 words per minute. Okay, so like that we also need to achieve something in the keyboarding side or in any area of the computer. We need to achieve a lot. Okay, so thank you, students.